Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fernandez Family Farm channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell down below. We're so excited to share this video with you guys today. It's just us cleaning out the garden and around the property for the winter time. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching this video today and for supporting our channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and we will see you all in the next video. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.